Fueling up before takeoff checklist complete.
Clear prop.
And we are airborne to the purr of our Piper Archer 28.
We are over Summit right now. We just took off. We're only going 90 knots. We still have about an hour's flight time.
Today we're flying to the Macon Fowler Airport, which is just outside Moberly, Missouri, to pick up a 4-year-old miniature pinscher.
We have to put you on the heading anyway for your departure.
Pilots and Paws is a nonprofit rescue mission saving animals from kill shelters, all run by volunteers like Sarah.
I've always been an animal lover, and I've always loved aviation, so it was a great way to combine the two activities. I currently have a little over 5,000 volunteer pilots. I've been volunteering with the organization for about 8 years.
After a little more than an hour flight, we are ready for our approach.
I didn't scare you landing?
No, you didn't.
Greeted by volunteers from Min Pins and More Rescue.
You're going to ride in an airplane today, Tyson, huh? What do you think about that?
It's a special mission where passengers get much more than a drink and snacks. They get a furry friend.
After handshakes and hellos, it's a tight turn of our tire.
Bye.
Every animal's different. A lot of them sleep as soon as we take off with the hum of the engine. Others want to sit up in the front and be my co-pilot.
They say every dog has its day, and today was certainly Tyson's.
It's just great that he'll be able to find a good home and move on and have a good, happy life.
All thanks to Sarah and Matt.
Thank you very much for all the help. It's great.
Flying Tyson to a brighter future.
He'll be going to a foster home in Overland Park.
Animal overpopulation is a large problem in general. Every year, over 4,000 animals are euthanized.
Another successful mission because of Pilots and Paws.